The Viper 40 Micro Tactical UAS is a high-tech drone designed for military and tactical use, offering critical real-time intelligence and reconnaissance. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to carry and deploy swiftly, perfect for fast-paced operations. Equipped with advanced high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging, the Viper 40 provides clear, detailed views both day and night, helping soldiers monitor enemy movements and terrain. Its stealthy, low-altitude flight allows it to evade detection, while it can be operated manually or autonomously, navigating preset waypoints and returning to base on its own. Durable and rugged, this drone is an essential tool for modern battlefield intelligence, offering unmatched versatility and tactical advantage. The Zodiac Milpro FC-470 is a top-tier inflatable boat engineered for military and professional use, offering exceptional durability and performance. Measuring 4.7 meters in length, this boat is built with rugged materials like Hypalon or neoprene, ensuring it can handle tough conditions and heavy use. It's powered by strong outboard engines, providing impressive speed and agility for rapid response missions. The FC-470's deep V-hull guarantees stability and a smooth ride even in rough waters. Its versatile design allows for customization with various accessories, making it ideal for military operations, search and rescue, and law enforcement. The Zodiac Milpro FC-470 is a reliable and adaptable choice for demanding maritime tasks. The Bell 360 is a cutting-edge military helicopter designed for a wide range of advanced missions. Featuring the latest technology, this next-generation rotorcraft offers superior performance with its powerful engines and advanced aerodynamics, providing impressive speed and agility. The Bell 360 is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and navigation systems, enhancing situational awareness and precision. Its versatile design allows it to be configured for various roles, including reconnaissance, tactical operations, and search and rescue. Emphasizing stealth and survivability, the helicopter has a low radar and acoustic signature, making it effective in contested environments. With a modern, ergonomic cockpit and cabin, the Bell 360 ensures comfort and safety for extended missions, making it a vital asset for modern military and security operations. Stend, a company specializing in human-guided autonomous drone operating systems for military forces and law enforcement agencies, is launching the second generation of its indoor tactical SUAS system, the Extender. The revolutionary micro-tactical ISR platform, with built-in resilient indoor-outdoor navigation and AI capabilities, enables remote completion of missions. Powered by Skylord, Stend's unique human-centric operating system, the Extender features complete localization and situational awareness, using the most advanced virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR, technologies, coupled with advanced AI and machine learning flight algorithms, bringing the metaverse to the modern battlefield. The Ajax armored fighting vehicle, developed by General Dynamics UK for the British Army, is a modern combat vehicle built for power and versatility. Armed with a 40mm autocannon and protected by advanced armor, it offers strong firepower and defense against small arms, IEDs, and RPGs. With a top speed of 70 km per hour, it's highly mobile and suited for rough terrains. Its advanced sensor suite, including thermal imaging and laser range finding, enhances situational awareness during reconnaissance and combat missions. Variants like the Ares for troop transport and Athena for command operations expand its versatility. Despite some delays due to technical issues, the Ajax is set to significantly boost the British Army's combat effectiveness. The Thunder BVTOL is a hybrid fixed-wing unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that combines the vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities of a multicopter with the extended endurance and high speed of a fixed-wing aircraft. This unique design allows for flexible operations in various environments, including confined spaces, maritime areas, and harsh weather conditions. The Thunder BVTOL is developed by Bluebird Aero Systems and is currently in production for various military and commercial applications. Its innovative design and versatile capabilities make it a valuable asset for organizations seeking advanced unmanned aerial vehicle solutions. Overland AI is pushing the boundaries of off-road autonomy with advanced AI-driven vehicle systems built to handle rugged and challenging terrains. These autonomous vehicles are designed to navigate through difficult environments like mountains, deserts, and forests, making them ideal for military, industrial, and exploration purposes. With cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Overland AI systems can assess terrain, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions to ensure smooth, efficient operation without human intervention. This technology increases safety by reducing the risks associated with manned operations in dangerous areas, while also boosting efficiency. Whether it's small reconnaissance units or large transport vehicles, Overland AI is transforming off-road exploration and paving the way for the future of autonomous mobility. The Rheinmetall HX3 Common Tactical Truck is a versatile, modular military truck designed to meet the diverse transportation needs of modern armed forces. It is part of the HX family of tactical trucks developed by Rheinmetall Man Military Vehicles. The HX3 features a modular design that allows it to be easily configured for various missions, including troop transport, cargo hauling, and artillery towing. The truck incorporates a range of safety features, such as electronic stability control and anti-lock brakes, to improve driver safety. The HX3 has been adopted by numerous military forces worldwide, including the German Army, the British Army, and the Australian Army. Its versatility, reliability, and advanced features make it a valuable asset for modern military operations.